Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you TweenService. TweenService is basically, it's a little, what I have here is a summary of it. It's a way of interpolating an object's properties. So as you can see here, this part is slowly moving up and down, and this part is growing and then shrinking. So these are a few examples. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so first to make a tween, you obviously need the tween service. So TweenService, this is a service. You're going to say game get service tween service. Alright, then you're using the TweenService and you're creating a new one. So :create, this is how you make a new one, a new tween. Now in these parentheses, you need to put the instance that you want to tween. So I'm going to, let's tween, I'm going to create a new part. I'm going to call it tween part. And I'm just going to make it like blue, probably. And then I'll make it a 2 by 2 by 2. Like this. Alright. And so I'm going to tween that object. So I'm going to get a variable part game.workspace tween part. Alright, then we just put part in here. That is the first thing you need to put when using TweenService. And then you need to use something called TweenInfo. And what TweenInfo is information given to the tween to basically describes how it is. So to make TweenInfo, you can say local info is equal to TweenInfo dot new. So you're making new info. And then it's all of these things that controls how the tween is. How long the tween is, which I'm going to make mine 1. Easing style. Now I need to show you guys what easing style is. Alright guys, so this is basically what easing style is. These are all of these styles in Roblox for TweenService, and it controls the behavior of it. So if you just say linear, then it's going to go straight. There's not much of a difference. But there's all these, and we're going to be playing around with that. But I just wanted to show you guys this. It doesn't make much sense now, but it will when I actually show you guys what this actually does. But to actually set the easing style, you need to put a comma after the time, enum.easingstyle, and then you have all these here, which I just showed you guys. I'm going to set it to linear for now. And then we have direction. So enum.easingDirection. You have out, InOut, or out, in, InOut. Out, what it does is the easing style is applied in a reverse direction. So out, it's reversed in a reverse direction. In, it's applied in a forward direction. InOut, the easing style is applied forward for the first half and reverse for the second. I'm going to say in. Actually, I'm going to say out because that just makes sense. The next thing is repeat count. So how many times do you want the tween to repeat? I do not want it to repeat, so I'm going to set it to 0, comma, and then you put if you want it to reverse. And that is a true or false value. I don't want it to reverse. There's our info. Now, back over here, we can say comma info. Now we need to set our goal. What this is saying is what do we want to achieve with this tween. Let's say we wanted to tween the part's transparency. Our goal, if we wanted to make it transparent so we can't see it anymore, our goal would be transparency equals to 1, where we can't see it anymore. So let's do that. Alright, so back here, we need to put this in squirrely brackets because it's a property table, and then we need to say the property, which we are trying to change the transparency, equals 1. Now you have your tween, but this won't work because you have to play it. So on the end, you can say : play. and that will work. So we play the game. It's already gone. Here, let me put a wait on that. Like maybe we have 2 seconds so we can see it. And there you go. It fades away. It tweens. It tweens it. You cannot see it anymore. But what you can do is wrap this in a variable. So we can say local tween is equal to this. We can then say tween colon play, and another cool thing which you can do using this, you can say tween dot completed connect function. And basically what this will do this will fire when the tween is completed. So print completed. We open up the output and we just run the game. When the tween is completed, it will print just like that. So you know when the tween is completed. That's a pretty cool thing that may be useful when using this. Now guys, back to my original thing with the style. Let's set this to elastic, and I'll show you guys the difference it makes. Now this won't look that cool with transparency. As you can see, it's elasticy. It bounces. Here, what is the description that Roblox has? Elastic moves as if attached to a rubber band, overshooting the target several times. It's not that cool with transparency, so I'm going to do the size. I'm going to change the size of the part, because that'll look cooler with the styles. So how to make this, make it so it changes the size, is I'm going to say size, because it's the property, equals, it takes a vector3 value, or actually, sorry guys, what I need to do is set the size to itself, but then add on to it. So part.size plus vector3.new. I'm gonna say 3 comma, well, let's say 5 colon play. I'm also gonna make it a little bit longer, maybe 2 seconds, and then we will then see how this works. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. When you run the game, it moves in an elastic motion, and you can then see it better, the actual elastic movement of it. And let's do another one. Let me look at some of the other ones that look kind of crazy. Alright, let's do bounce, because bounce looks pretty cool. So we're going to do bounce, same thing, run that game, and we're going to see how it looks. And there you go, it bounces into its place. So tweens are really, you can really customize them to how you want it. I'm not for sure if the direction will make a difference. Let's change that to in and see how that looks. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. Alright, so using in or out makes a slight difference. It's basically what you guys want it to look like. Let's set it to InOut. Whoops. In, out. Let's see how it looks. Makes it a little bit different, but it's not. It's just basically what you guys want it to look like. I'm going to change it back to out, because that's what I do with everything. I set it to out. But how about we make it, I don't want it to repeat. How about let's make it reverse. So let's change this back to elastic and run the game. Hopefully, I think this will reverse. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. All right. So then it goes to the bigger size and then reverses back to its original size. Now, a cool thing I want to show you guys is when setting the repeat count to -1, it will make it so it will make it go forever. So when we come down here and run the game, this will make it so it goes forever. So it's gonna shrink back, but then it goes back. So it makes it so it continually does it forever. And that's really cool because you don't have to use a loop or anything to uh, make it so it's continually going infinitely. It just does it like as it is. So that's really cool. TweenService is awesome. It just makes really cool animations, and it's just a great thing to use in your games. And yeah, guys, that was today's video. If you guys did learn something from this video or you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.